Hey guys, this is Ben, and today I have a question for you. I know some of you are running ads. I'm wondering, what are the metrics that you are specifically looking for to recognize a good, a bad, a mediocre campaign? Would love to know like your top 1, 2, 3 metrics and what you do about it when you see that it's really bad. Yeah, let's give you an example. Let's say your cost per click is like twice as much as you're expecting. You're normally expecting €1 and now you see €2, €2.50. You're annoyed by the high click-through rate. What do you do about it? I would be really curious about that. And if you want to, join the next roundtable on November 8th, where we talk about exactly that. We talk about the key metrics and what to do about it if they are bad that help to open up campaign bottlenecks. I'll put a link below. Would love to hear from you guys in the comments. See you then. Bye-bye.